Today, IBM Skills Build Orientation and Platform Walkthrough session was held at Riyadh Bhara Institute of Engineering and Nanotechnology, Hoshiarpur. The aim of this event is to provide professional and technical skills to students. During event, Director Principal Dr. HPS Dhami addressing the students with their motivational speech.
That's good. I take this opportunity to welcome, as ma'am has said, Mr. Rohit Rajput. He is the Senior Technical Associate of IBM and CSR program. They have taken the initiative to help the young generation to learn and enhance their skills. I also welcome Rana ji and his team for taking the initiative and helping our institute to get the recognition and being selected to offer this platform to our students. This is the only college which is being selected in Hoshiarpur, and you are the lucky one who will be having the services of IBM. Shortly, Mr. Rajput will be telling you in detail how you can get yourself registered, which type of courses are there, all are free, and how you can enhance your skills and ultimately you can fulfill your dreams. That is to get yourself placed in a good organization. I'll tell you, a MOU was, you can say, memorandum of understanding was done between IBM India and Skill Development Mission, Department of Employment Generations and Training, Government of Punjab, to enhance the skills, and then the journey from that place started, and now it is going to start in this campus by launching the orientation program of skill build, so that you can get aware of it, and in the meantime you can enhance your skills. The objective is very clear, to enhance the skills of the technical people so that you can compete with all the students worldwide. I believe you all know about the IBM, and this is the same IBM which is having a branch that is called as IBM India, and they have taken this initiative as their social corporate responsibilities. And I believe, and I assure you, Mr. Rohit, I have got a very good, dedicated students and a team of faculty members. They will be helping, they will be assisting you, and they will be getting the maximum benefit out of the efforts you are putting in. And at the end of the day, I'll say they will be able to get good placements, and we will be sharing you all the details from time to time. One thing I want to just bring into your notice, last year also, their seniors, they performed very well, and almost all my students, 100% students were placed, and many students, they were having multiple offers from various companies, and around 7-8 students, they were placed in IBM also. So this will not be the first time, so that absolutely thank you. And I hope next time काफी students और IBM में place होंगे. So with this, I thank you very much for coming and sharing your knowledge, your ideas, your plans with the students. Thank you very much, and all the students, please learn, note down your queries. If you have any questions, right now you can ask them after the session or in between the session. Thank you. Thank you.
So good morning everyone.
Good morning.
I hope I am audible to all of you who are the corners. To the person sitting at the last, am I audible to you? One at the last, I want to know. Am I audible to you? Yes, you are the last. Good morning. So, am I perfectly audible to you? Yes or no? So, thank you so much sir for inviting us for this session. It was our pleasure visiting this campus and interacting with you, and I'm glad that we have chosen Riyadh Bhara, so the hospitality till now has been really amazing. So we are looking forward to a very fruitful association with the organization, with the institution, and more sessions coming ahead. And glad to see all the IBMers joining us. Looking forward to work with you also at the national level. So thank you so much everyone. So on this note, I would like to introduce Mr. Aman, who is also joining me, my colleague, and helping me deliver the session. And as sir has already introduced me, my name is Rohit Rajput. I am working as a senior project associate with IBM. Now, I just want to understand, are you all comfortable with English? नहीं तो हम हिंदी भाषा में या फिर mixed language में भी proceed कर सकते हैं. So, should we go with? Let's go with mixed then, all right? And जैसे कि आपको सर ने बताया कि अगर आपको कुछ भी समझ नहीं आता, तो feel free to ask, मतलब to repeat, reiterate, paraphrase for you, all right? So on this note, I want to ask you with a question: Who all have heard about IBM? Like IBM का नाम आपने कब सुना था? Like कोई ad देखा है? Anyone have any understanding कि what IBM do? Anyone who wants to volunteer? Anyone have any idea what IBM do? Alright, so IBM is an international business machine, तो आपको शायद सुना ही होगा. आप सब लोगों ने ATM machines यूज करी है? Everybody has used operated ATM machines. Those were started by IBM. आप लोगों ने CD से पहले black color की floppy disk देखी थी? That was we were using for storages. That was also started by IBM. So IBM has lot of technical contributions, innovative contributions globally. So IBM is a organization based out in New York, and I am from IBM India. And IBM का next question आप सबका ये होगा, why is IBM visiting your campus? Like क्या है that there is an IBM representation in your college? So answering to this question, IBM has partnered with Punjab Skill Development Mission, and under that partnership, you all will be receiving skill development and employment benefits. अब यहाँ पे कोई है जिसको skill development नहीं पता मतलब क्या होता है employment का? So let me simplify it for you. आप सब लोग अभी civil engineers, mechanical engineers और computer engineers है, right? Am I correct? Yes sir. So अगर कोई job निकलती है market में, that calls कि all the computer engineers can apply. So all the computer engineers will apply, right? And अगर कोई जॉब निकलती है for the civil engineers, then every civil engineer will apply for that job. All right? So अगर आप कोई जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करते हो, तो आपकी जो एजुकेशन है, जो आपकी ग्रेजुएशन की डिग्री है, that just becomes your minimum eligibility criteria. अगर आप जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करते हो, तो वहाँ पे सारे ही कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. रियाद धारा से भी कर रहे हैं, अलग अलग पॉलिटेक्निक से कर रहे हैं, प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूशन, गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन से भी कर रहे हैं. So everybody is a computer engineer. So your education which you are studying here just becomes a minimum eligibility criteria for any desired job. Is everyone with me? Yes sir. Now question arises, what makes you selected, what makes you rejected? अभी आप सब कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर्स हैं, पर सेलेक्ट कौन होगा? So you get selected on the basis of your skills. That's when skills comes into picture. अगर उनमें से कोई बच्चा है जिसको शायद आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस ज़्यादा अच्छे से आता हो, या फिर क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग अच्छे से आता हो, शायद वेब डिजाइनिंग अच्छे से आता हो, कोई एक एडिशनल कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से आता हो, तो उसके पास ज़्यादा एडवांटेज हो जाता है रिमेनिंग टू अदर्स. ऑलराइट, फॉर एग्जांपल किसी एक बच्चे का कंप्यूटर नॉलेज के साथ साथ कम्युनिकेशन स्किल बहुत अच्छा है, काफ़ी अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल है, ही वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, तो उसके पास एक एडिड स्किल हो गया दैट मेक्स हिम स्टैंड आउट ऑफ द रिमेनिंग क्राउड. तो जो आपके स्किल्स हैं, दैट इज द की टू यू गेटिंग अ डिजायर्ड जॉब. Are you all with me? Yes sir. All right. Now the next question is कि आपको कोई स्किल मिला, आपको भी जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कुछ सीखना होता है, तो जनरली we do. You go to YouTube, you learn concepts and get done with it, right? Now how will you tell the world? For example, आपने डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के 2 घंटे 3 घंटे का लेक्चर देख लिया, you know the concept of digital marketing, but how will you prove the world कि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के concepts पता है? So now the another question comes in that you need a proof you are learning. आप यहाँ से निकलेंगे तो you will receive a degree, right? That degree is a proof that you have successfully graduated from this institutional body. Similarly, whenever you are doing any learning activity, you need a proof that showcase your accomplishments, that showcase your achievements, that showcase your competencies. Getting my point? अगर आपने YouTube वीडियो देखी तो आप किसी को बताओगे कि मैंने YouTube वीडियो देखी, he or she will not believe it, or he or she might believe it, but employers won't believe, right? They need a proof. तो यहाँ पे एक फायदा ये है कि whenever you do any learning activity with IBM, you receive IBM certificates and badges. तो जो IBM certificates and badges होंगे, those become the tangible proof of your accomplishments. अगर आपने डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का 2 घंटे का कुछ लर्निंग की है विद IBM, तो IBM का सर्टिफिकेट विल डेमोंस्ट्रेट कि आपको 2 घंटे का आपने टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स.
During this, all faculty members of RBI ENT were present.